How many 73-year-olds can hit 80-mile-an-hour fastballs? That's the quality of life that I'm looking for right now. My name is Dave Wilson, and I've had 12 surgeries with Rothman Orthopaedics. My whole life has always been defined by athletics. Back in 1973, I was probably the best player in the area. The only thing I really had planned for in my life was to sign a Major League Baseball contract, but it didn't happen. Instead, I took a job at the local lumber yard for $1.10 an hour. It was extremely physical, and that's where my injuries began. I had stenosis and compression damage throughout my spine. The dream team are the 5 surgeons. That's my dream team. You look at that picture. Each of those blue dots is a procedure I'd received at Rothman. Both shoulders, hips, knees, and wrists. It's all new. As a reward for going through this, going to Phillies Fantasy Camp, it allowed me to check a lot of things off my bucket list, including signing a 5-day Major League contract. I can't tell you the impact it had on me. The torture of how I didn't get signed. I could finally let that go. There's 3 ways you can go every time you get up in the morning. You can go up, you can go down, and you can stay the same. 50 years after I stopped, Rothman got me back on the field.